Do it. Just hop the fence.
Pretty sure that's illegal.
Start. I'll join in.
And I'm gonna be your one guy, you be my number one girl. Always making time for you. I'm gonna tell you one time, girl, I love you. Girl, I love you.
That works for me.
We won.